Hello, my dear English learner friends. How are you all? I hope you are healthy and safe wherever you are. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I truly believe English is an important skill in today's modern world. That is why I have taken a challenge to make 100 videos on 100 different topics in 100 days to improve my speaking. If you are passionate about English, you can join this journey with me. I wish good luck to everyone who is ready to take this step. So without any more delay, let's begin today's video. My today's topic is about village life. Village life is very simple, peaceful and close to nature. In a village, people live together like one big family, and everyone knows each other. The air in the village is fresh and clean because there are many trees, fields, and open spaces. Most villagers are farmers and they work hard in the fields to grow rice, vegetables, and fruits. Early in the morning, we can hear birds singing and see people starting their daily work. Life in the village is less busy than in the city, so people have more time to talk, help neighbors, and enjoy festivals together. Children play in the open fields and rivers instead of staying inside rooms. Food in the village is fresh and healthy because it often comes directly from farms. However, village life also has some problems like fewer hospitals, schools, and job opportunities. Sometimes roads and transport are not very good. Even with these difficulties, many people love village life because it gives mental peace and a strong sense of community. I believe village life teaches us to stay close to nature, respect others, and live happily with simple things. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.